I'm down for eating turkey. There's no problem there. My perfect turkey recipe would be a compound butter with herbs, garlic, ranch powder, blended bacon shoved under the skin of a turkey. That would be my favorite. So that's a big popular topic, wet brine or dry brine. I'm all about the dry brine because it is less fuss and you're gonna have more of a concentrated turkey flavor. I've done a side-by-side comparison. I'm all about the dry brine. Don't stress it and apply butter. Make it a Butterball turkey. If you're cooking Thanksgiving dinner for a large group, utilize your pellet grill just like your oven. I mean, we've all grown up only using an oven, but using your pellet grill to do not only your turkey but your sides as well is a great way to ensure an awesome Thanksgiving dinner. Hold on, my glove. Like a balloon. And they look awesome. Okay. Struggling, guys. It's Wednesday at noon and your turkey is still frozen. What should you do? Take that turkey and you're gonna wanna put it in your kitchen sink, a clean kitchen sink, no dishes. Fill it up with cold water. And every hour you're gonna change out that water and that's gonna help safely bring it out of the frozen state that it's in. Fresh or frozen on your turkey, I'm all about fresh. It depends on the season. Obviously, Thanksgiving time, you're gonna have a much better chance of finding a fresh bird. Why spatchcock versus regular traditional turkey? You're gonna have a more even cooking surface. It's gonna cook faster as well. You're gonna have a crisper skin throughout. The cons about a spatchcock, it doesn't look like your traditional turkey, so a lot of people look at it and go, what in the world did you do to that turkey? But then they try it and they're very impressed. It really is so juicy. Well, look at how many people you have and you base it off of a pound per person. And for me, I'm all about give it a little bit more because I love a leftover turkey sandwich. White or dark meat? I really loved dark meat in chicken and turkey because there's so much more flavor because there's obviously a little bit more fat, but that's where my choice would be. What I do with my Thanksgiving leftovers, we take everything from the stuffing, the turkey, to the mashed potatoes. We roll them up in an egg roll and we deep fry them and make a Thanksgiving leftover egg roll. And it is fantastic. Dip it in cranberry sauce. Okay. It's amazing. Even the pies we throw in. Yeah. I made a good turkey. And I'll share. I will share. I think I'll be sick of turkey by the time Thanksgiving's actually here.